Guys, welcome everyone, all the jumpers, welcome. Today I will just show you now. I will show you how to create your jumper account, like jumper character. I am sure all of you are playing the game, are okay. So now, for creating your jumper character, you have to keep two things in mind. In your jumper character, you can't cross more than 7 city hall. That is, if you upgrade to 8, level 8, done, finished, you can't jump anymore. Please watch the video, that is the YouTube jumpers video, which I will post once again. I will post it for all of you. Please watch that. For now, just watch how to create the jumper character first, and in which kingdom to create it. First, click on your profile picture, that is on the top left corner. Click on it, then click on settings, and then click on the character management. Then now as you can see, I have 4 characters already, and you can't create more than 2 characters in the same kingdom. So I already have 2 characters in the kingdom 1625 1625, so I won't be able to create it there, but you will have to create it in that account. You can create it in that kingdom. So what you will do, you will follow whatever I am doing, but the kingdom which you are going to create it in is kingdom 1625. First click on this plus arrow, plus symbol, click on it, then search for your specified kingdom. You will search for the kingdom 1625, but I can't create any more characters there, so I will create it in the kingdom 1930 1930. I will create it in that, but you won't be creating it in that kingdom. You will create it in the kingdom 1625. Please don't forget 1625, not 1930. I will create it in 1930, as I already have 2 characters in 1625. So I think now 1930 is close. Yeah, it's very close. I got it. 1930 Kingdom of Misha. So I will create it there. Yes. I clicked on it. Now it will show me in which in the kingdom I'm going to see, that is creating the new kingdom now here.
Welcome to Rise of Kingdoms. The journey of your civilization starts
you already saw
from the depths of obscurity
before
to the peaks
going
of
to
legend.
before you just
You
went
will
there.
be the author of your
That is when you first
civilization's
created your account.
history.
You will just among here for the civilization. I will suggest you go for China.
兵无常势，
Has
水
increased to
无
troop
常
defense by
形。
3%, action point recovery by 5%, and building speed by 5%. Now all the kingdoms have different buffs. Increases infantry here for Rome. Many buffs are there.
Im Teutoburger Wald endet deine Geschichte.
My enemies will choke on their own blood.
Je
dois être auprès du roi.
France is not of a more of a normal farming kingdom or defending kingdom. It's a good defense one, but not a good combat one. So what my suggestion is, go for China. You can also go for the one which you want, but I would suggest go for China, as in the beginning you don't have any specific troop which you use. You use all the 4 troops, that is infantry, cavalry, bowmen, that is archers, and also the siege units. So you use all the 4. So in the beginning you should not go for any other civilization according to me. Now I can confirm. So now
From a barren land, engulfed in the flames of war, our people eventually arrived here.
I created
A new world full of hope
that
and
That
possibilities.
was the last time I created a new character, so I just saw the intro.
We camp,
Skip it, so I'm just watching it.
we explore,
You can skip it if you want.
we hunt, and we protect each other from great danger. Here our people stand, and the destiny of civilization lies in your hands. Rise of Kingdoms.
Now your city has already been
Welcome,
created.
Governor. Our people have been living a nomadic. Now, starting from knowing the needs of your people, our people can't survive without food.
So
We
first
need to
you
build a
finish
farm
up to here,
first to
and then
ensure
you
the
can all
food supply
contact
in
me again
city.
after you finish it. But please try it in the kingdom 1625 and not 1930. For me, I did it in 1930 because my kingdom that is in 1625 I already have 2 characters. All of you create the accounts in 1625, do all these basic things, and don't use speed ups at all or any tokens. That is, you will find many tokens. You might also find many resource tokens or some speed ups. Don't use them, you will need them later in the game. For now, keep it up to here. First create your accounts and then search for the Alliance IMC. So in Kingdom 1625, type the code IMC. I'm sure you will find the Alliance IMC. Then I will tell you what to do from there again. And first of all, before joining the alliance, keep a good name, like rename your character. So this in the basic tutorials I will give you again. First finish up to here. Okay.